Hello guys, welcome to Geeks. Today our topic is how you can permanently delete your data from your device or memory card so that no one can recover. If you have not already subscribed our channel, please like our videos and subscribe Computer Geeks. As you know, it's very important to wipe out your data, to delete your all data from your phone or memory card before selling or giving to anyone. There are many tools which recovers your all data which you delete from your device. So today we will learn how you can permanently delete all data. First of all, I am going to File Manager to delete all data. Suppose I want to delete from this SD card. Go into SD card, select all of your folders, or you can format, it's your choice, and delete all of my data. This will delete all my data. Now the memory card has been deleted and it's empty. Now I am going to shred it so that no one can recover all these data. Go into Play Store and type here iShredder. This is a tool specific which will fill the random data so that no one can recover your personal data. We have to wait until installation of this file. Here is our tool. After installing, I am going to open iShredder, skip all options. Now selective erasing. Go into selective erasing. OK. For permissions, allow all permissions. Now fetching your personal data. Go into free space. Here is my internal storage or SD card. Currently I am going to remove all data from SD card. You can select internal storage to delete all your data permanently from your device, like SD card. I am selecting, then continue. Now there are two options with 0FF filing. This will fill all zeros and FF in your empty space, or I am selecting random. Select random, then shred it. This will actually fill the whole your space and memory with random data like this one, like all these options are. Then shred. Check this mark, then shred. Now this is a procedure actually which is going to fill the random data on your space so that no one can recover the actual data of your. This is a option. iShredder is currently shredding. You have to wait until it's completed in 100%. We will wait for that. So all done. It's here we have completed the shredding process. Go home. So now you are safe and you can raise your phone, and this is completed the processing of permanently deleting files. Thanks guys for watching and learning.